This is Gary with Gary Sprinkler Repair Service. Today I'm going to show you how to check to see if you have a leaky lawn Genie valve.
Quick check of an Irritrol, or in this case they're owned by the same company, lawn Genie valve that you'd find at Lowe's, Home Depot, maybe even Harbor Freight or something like that, or Ace Hardware. Customer had a leak, a little bit of movement on the water bill, and so they were concerned they had a bad valve. So I took the breaker lid off. You can see the breaker lid here. Just take a pair of channel locks, support the valve, and then just take that off. And then this center chamber here, I've done that on this valve. And in that center chamber, we can see it's full of water. And if I muck the water out of there real quick, you watch and see. If you wait a second, it should not fill back up. And there it goes. So you have a bad valve. So that's how you diagnose a bad valve or a leaky sprinkler valve on your irrigation system. And this doesn't have a filter on these two valves, so we can tell that they're lawn valves.
Well, hopefully you liked our video today. This one was a short one, but they don't always have to be long. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe and hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell so that you'll be notified anytime we add a new video down the road. And if you got any questions or comments that you'd like to make to help us improve the channel, feel free to leave those in the comments section, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I reply to all comments. So again, thanks for subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed the information. Hopefully it helps you out with any of the projects you got to do this week.